Hey guys, this is Ty Sundberg, J&R, Sundberg Construction. Just wanted to show you the progress on this project. We're underway, we got the driveway punched in, got the form boards going in, plumbing groundwork is wrapped up, so we're underway now and just getting ready to get a slab poured next week. So this house is sitting on 3.4 acres of land here on the St. Louis River. It's all finalized. This is where the house is going to be. Beautiful view, sloping hill right down to the river. So over on this end we'll have a 2-car garage. Right behind it here is the kitchen along this wall here. And then a couple bedrooms in the corner over here. 2-bedroom, 2-car garage, single story, nice retirement type home. So the next step next week is to get the slab poured here. After that we're going to be getting rolling on framing. That'll be our next video. So check back for updates. Thank you.